Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you have upcoming videos in your list. Okay, we are today going to customize Fashionopolism theme. The Fashionopolism theme is a great Shopify theme with OS version 2.0 supported version. What does basically OS 2.0 means? OS 2.0 means that you have functionality of all the sections on all the pages across the store. So we have this beautiful theme: clothing and accessories, health and beauty, home and garden. You can use it for these niches, and any catalog size you can use, and for drop shippers, quick setup, selling internationally. So have a look. We will have a look at a demo store, how the demo store looks like. Here it is. Fashionopolism theme comes with 4 styles: Hearty, Empire, Atelier and Galleria. Here is the default style, Hearty. We have menus like this. We have mega menus options available. We have logo here. We have social media icons. We have currency switcher here and announcement bar here. Here we have a little icons of cart and profile and search icon. We have different slideshows with buttons. We have some sections with text on it, image sections, and we have Shopify collection sections. We have new look sections here. We have accessorize in style section here, and we have best selling product section, as well as this free shipping and labels like section here. We also have an image with text on the right and image here section, and then the logos section, and at the end a newsletter like this, and then we have menu icon like this and payment icons here, and here we have a footer copyrights for store. So today we are going to customize it on live store. Here we have already purchased and installed Fashionopolism on our store. Here let's go for customizer. Let's have a look at how the store is looking before applying it. Before, it was impulse theme applied on the store before our customizing video, in which we have applied this impulse theme on our store like this. It was like this, and now we are going to apply it on with Fashionopolism. So yes, just click on here. After uploading theme from here, you have to upload a zip file or connect from GitHub. We have uploaded a zip file, and then you will have it here on the top list below your active theme. Just go and click on customize towards right side here. After clicking on customize, you will have this editor window. Okay, here we have a look like this. It will be like this. So we'll just make it some bigger. Okay, here we have mobile navigation, in which we have home, cart, home, main menus, and then search box here, and then social icons here, and then feature text here. And we can change it like by clicking on cart. We can select cart icon or bag. It will be like this. Here it will bag is showing. If we select cart, it will be cart here. Then main menus, we can select either change or select the menus we already have in our menu section. And the search box, it will be like this. Social icons, and then feature text here. Here we can change this text available here. So this was the mobile menu option. And then the announcement bar. In the announcement bar, we can enable full width, or we can disable the full width like this. We can enable it, and then we can change the text that is showing here. You can also show language selector like this. it will be a language selector. If you don't want to show it, just remove it. Show currency selector. Basically these are theme features. If you already have set up currencies in your theme liquid, then it will be showing here. After then we have header section. In the header we have mega menus, and in the mega menus you can select feature image, you can select shop. If we click on shop, we don't have anything, but if we click the image here, select the image with the product, then we'll have a mega menu here available. Just for example, we are selecting this in here, and after selecting this, we will see it in later on our store. And we have another mega menu like this, which is called theme. We can call it another name like contact us or privacy policy here. Then it will be applied on this menu. Then we have slideshow section. In image 1 slide, click on here on the right side, select image, select this image, and then select. It will be showing like this. Then the second slider will be like this, and it will be showing here. This is a very beautiful customized theme. You can customize it as you like. And then for the fourth slide, we'll have the fourth image of this one. Basically this is a big image. We will not select this one, we will just select this one. Smaller images. If you select bigger images in it, it will distract the basically the image sizes, just like this one. Like I think there is some, yes, this image was big, so we will just hide this one so that we have a beautiful menu like this. Okay, in the collection list we have to select one collection. We can select any collection, we can change it, we can change the collections from here, just like this. We can select again laptop, it will be showing here. You can select another collection, that will be like this. Honor mobiles, and we'll have another section here. We can change it. Okay, we will select all the selections available. We can make it 5, 4 per row. Okay, here we have selection selected, and then we have blog post here. You can select any blog post. You can select feature collection here. In the feature collection, if you select some collection here from here, you will see that it will be like this. And then you can select this logo list. Basically we have also created some custom sections here, but don't worry about it. You can also use it by default. You have to use the accurate image sizes, that basically 1800 by 1800. The images should be very squared one, so there will be a proper alignment in the collections. I'm just selecting one image with the same size so that you have an idea how this will look like. And then we have here newsletter section. Below everything we can change this text, we can change this description, we can change this thing. Okay, and then we will see what section we have. We have blog post section, collection list, feature collection, we have tab collection, gallery, image with text overlay, logo list, slideshow, feature product, map, and rich text. These are the sections available. Just we will check one because we are going to complete this in 10 minutes, this customization of Fashionopolism. Just like the gallery, here we have a gallery section available. In the images we will put the images just like before we did. it's also giving us the size that you have to select 800 by 600. That fits perfect here. Okay, and in the below we have footer section. In the footer you can change visit here to shop here or something like this, and then put something in it. You can put menus in it, you can put some extra things in it. Okay, and then we have shop here option. In the shop here we have inserted a menu. In the recent post we have inserted nothing. You can add at least 3 or 4 blogs. And then in the inquiries you can put your own something like this, anything just like this. Okay, and then in the mailing pop-up you can select any mailing pop-up. You can select an image to be inserted as a background here. After completing this we will click on save, and as you can see, after clicking on save we will just simply preview it, and once it's previewed it will be like this. Here you can see the pop-up just came. Okay, here we have announcement bar, the social icons, cards, menus, logo. We haven't placed any logo, so it's like text here, slideshow, and then the collection here, collections here, some text here, then the favorite collection with 8 products here, then logo list, and then blog post, and then a newsletter, and then the footer icon. So here it was the Fashionopolism theme customization tutorial. Stay tuned for another exciting tutorials on different premium themes by Shopify, so that you may have an idea how to customize it. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you have the upcoming videos in your list. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.